I used AI to build a complete lead generation funnel that books jobs for home service business in just 15 minutes. And by the end of the video, you'll be able to grab this exact funnel and drop it into your own account. So if you run a HVAC, plumbing, solar, or honestly anything that just books calls over the phone and needs lead generation through paid ads, which is the best way to do it, this AI gets you 90% of the way there, and the last 10% is what makes it count and makes it convert, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get to work and let's get to building. All right, now the tool that we're going to be using for this is called Perspective.co, and they've been in the funnel building game for a long time, and I've used honestly a lot of other products in the space around funnel building and landing page builders basically that are optimized for lead generation, and this is by far the best one. And now they actually have a connection with Claude and ChatGPT to make the building process that much easier for business owners like yourself, like myself, and they already know what works and what converts, right? And so I'm going to show you exactly how to build it in this video and what I'd recommend doing. And so if you kind of scroll down here, you can read a little bit more on them, right? And what is a Perspective funnel, but they're used by over 8,000 businesses, and they're honestly just the way to go. So with Perspective, you get funnels, you get messages as well. So you get kind of like the follow-up on those leads that you generate. You get metrics, you get a contact, so you get a kind of a CRM built into the back end, and you get workspaces where you can share with your team, and you also get app connections as well. So you do get a lot with this, and also you get this Claude MCP, which is the thing that I'm most excited about. So build and optimize your funnels on basically autopilot, so you can enable Claude to run the entire infrastructure on your funnels and landing pages, and it basically has the live hosting and analytics, but you're giving Claude access to this basically. And so it's able to basically connect to Perspective and do a lot of these things for you. All right, so let's get into this. So once you do sign up for Perspective, you're going to be brought to a page that looks like this, and you can go ahead from here and basically create your new funnel. And you have a couple different ways to edit this. So you can look through the classic editor, which has a ton of templates that are already built out, which you can customize a little bit and get it to kind of where you want it to be. And these are already proven to work. Or you can go ahead and already use the AI editor right here and just start typing in to basically get your funnel working. And so using this, you have a couple different options. So you can basically upload your brand. So you can go here and basically just put in your URL, and that's going to pull in all of the information on your business to get your brand identity. So you don't have to provide all the information on what your branding looks like. It's going to automatically pull all of that in. And then once you have that all pulled in, then from here, what you can basically do is go lead gen, quiz funnel, booking, you go sales page, course launch, waitlist, webinar, or survey and feedback. And you select that, and then you describe what you want. So I'm going to use this roofing company as an example here, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to go add brand, and I'm going to paste in this company's URL, and that's going to basically generate us our brand. So it's going to automatically extract the logo and gather all the information about our brand to make sure that it looks on brand. And so you can do this for your own business as well. One of the first steps that you can do. Awesome. Now, once that's done, it says your brand has been added. And so we have our URL right here. And then what we can do is we can select one of these right here. And so what I'm going to suggest doing right here is we want to book calls, right? In this case, if you want to just generate leads, you can do that, but we do want to book in. So a booking funnel with service info, credentials, available time slots, and a booking form with review and trust badges. This is if you're looking to basically book right onto your calendar. Now, if you're just looking to do some type of lead generation funnel, then you can select this as well. And it will say key benefits, social proof, simple contact form, etc. All right, so we're just going to start with this basic prompt and see what it outputs for us here using our brand and just this basic prompt of a quiz funnel. So it's asking us some additional follow-up questions now. So I'm going to go ahead and answer these. So we have a little basically just kind of important reminder here. So a couple things to note with this. I am testing this when it is in beta. So it's completely new. It's getting better every day. But basically we can use this chat box on the side. So we're talking to an AI to describe the changes that we want to see, speeds up building. And then everything else works exactly as you know it. And these AI features work with Claude too. So you can build and optimize them straight from Claude via the Perspective MCP. So I will show you how to connect this MCP right now. So in order to connect the Claude MCP, you just have to go here to go see instructions. And then it's quite simple. If you have ChatGPT, you can do a similar process there. I'm going to be using Claude here. So we're going to go ahead and open this right here. And this is going to bring us to the connectors right here. And then we basically want to go add a custom connector, name it Perspective, and paste the URL below. So we're just going to go perspective.co. I'm going to go ahead and name it that. And we're going to go add right here. So we're going to go connect, enter our login details, accept, and boom. So we've now connected Perspective.co. So that means we can now edit our funnel and make changes directly from Claude, which is incredible. And then we can basically go always allow or needs approval. By default, they're always set to needs approval. So you need to approve Claude to basically make changes. So I just leave that on as that setting goes. And then let's go into chats right here. And let's just go new chat. And so now if I go to the chat right here and then I go to connectors, you can see perspective is now selected there. So we can request changes to be made in perspective in our funnels. So now going back to perspective right here, here is the entire funnel that it built for us using our brand guide and everything that it found on that website. And so it took all the information that we already had on our websites, didn't need to customize anything manually, didn't need to change anything, which is what we would have had to do if we were to use one of those custom templates that they had. They still make it really fast with those custom templates, but this took everything from our website, changed everything without us needing to do anything. And now all we have to do is review it, make sure it looks good, make changes that we want to make this look better or more on brand or things like that. And then we have basically a finished funnel, which I'm going to show you how to do now. So for example, one of the first things that I'm going to actually do with this is that you can see that this focuses a bit too much on multiple services. So it's like shingles, siding, and windows, which I actually just want to focus on the roofing aspect of it. So that's a first request that I'm going to make within this funnel right here. And I'm basically just going to type in, make this entire funnel only focused on roofing. I'm just going to enter that in there, and basically it's going to go in and edit the page for me. All right, now as you can see with that one simple prompt, it changed everything to be more focused on roofing. You can see get my free roofing estimate, takes about 60 seconds, no phone call required to start. And then you can see all of the same things from the website are listed here. And basically we're good to go. So obviously we can start to see, hey, maybe there's some design changes that we want. But overall, this first page is in a pretty good spot. And then from there, we can start to customize it a little bit more. Now, I want to turn our attention to the questions because those are the most important part, making sure that this actually designed the correct questions. So the first one is, what condition is your roof currently in? And right now it's missing or curled shingles, visible leaks or water stains, sagging or uneven spots, or just old and tired. So they'll basically fill that out. Question 2 in the roof assessment is, how old is your roof? Less than 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 plus, or unknown. What type of roof do you have? Asphalt, metal. This does matter for roofing, so glad that it asked that question. Next is, when do you need this fixed? So again, emergency, getting an idea of how urgent this is for the customer so that we can basically know if this is going to be a deal that might close quickly or if they're just gathering information, not a real priority right now. Definitely, can start to sort leads by the quality based on this question. And then what matters most to you? Quick, honest assessment, best long-term materials, clear upfront pricing, or fast scheduling. So I like that question as well. Here's your basically roof summary. So good news, your roof is flexible and your estimate is free. So roof condition needs attention, unknown, asphalt shingles, flexible. So this is going to pull in automatically all of those answers that they had. And then it's going to say, where should we send your estimate? And so this is where they're going to put in their information right here. So full name, email, and phone number based on the information that we have. And so there you go. So once they do submit their information, then they're going to become a lead, and then they're going to go into the contact section, and you can have all their information there. Now, this alone took literally 5 minutes to build or less. I basically just pushed a couple buttons, sent a few requests, and boom, we had a fully working funnel. And this is going to be better than 90% of other roofing companies' funnels at actually qualifying and getting their lead information all in a very simple to understand form. So again, already ahead of 90% of the game. Now we're going to be basically taking it to the next level and just tweaking things to make it that much better using the AI and the platform. So I actually like building with Claude specifically. And so I went into Claude now and I actually just gave them the same prompt. So I said, basically you make me an optimized funnel for perspective that disqualifies bad leads and gets me good ones that call them right after submitting. So I want them to basically submit that form and still have a call to action to get them to take immediate action, which is to call your business, right? Or book in on your calendar if you have a calendar. And this is great for home service businesses because you basically want to catch them while they are most interested to take that next step, specifically booking in a time with you or calling you. Basically said this to Claude now that it has all of the connection to perspective. And so it actually found Havora Construction. So the brand that I already put in, it found them there and it is actually pulling all this information in. And now it's asked me a couple questions just to clarify a little bit further on exactly what I want. So I'm going to say use Havora profile. I'm going to say tap to call now, or you could do book a time on the calendar. And so in this case, I'm just going to go tap to call if that's you. And then we're going to say, what is the best hard disqualifier? Because we want a disqualifier in this quiz. So basically it's going to route them to a not, a good fit screen. And so I'm going to go renter or non-owner. And you could do a couple of these other ones. And so I'm going to go yeah, outside of the area, right? And no timeline or just browsing. And I'm going to go, honestly, just all of these. Like all of these are good disqualifiers. If their timeline is too outside of the window, they're not in our service area, or if they're a renter or non-owner, they're not going to be a good fit. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that there. And now it's going to go ahead and start to customize and build our funnel. It's going to be even better because we have a little bit more information and we're using Claude. All right, so there we go. Now we have the final version also generated from ChatGPT. So again, you can use that. You can use the MCP connection, talk with Claude. And so this one didn't generate as much of like the home page, but it did generate me this quiz page, which is also pretty good. And it has, again, a lot of these good qualifying questions. And then it has basically the end here where they fill out their information, and then it has give them a call, and then it has kind of the various disqualifying pages as well. So the page that I'm going to give you guys, though, is the page that I generated here. And so basically all you have to do is download this exact funnel right here that you saw I generated. And what you can do to make this even faster, upload your brand, upload your website URL, and then you can just ask it to change this landing page to be similar, but to change the questions to match your business, and to change the design and the language overall to match your business and what's on your website. And so basically from there, you have a fully working lead generation funnel that properly qualifies leads and gets them to ultimately submit their contact information. As you can see here, gives them a free summary of the information that they put in, asks for their contact information, and then once they do submit, it disqualifies the bad leads and it makes the good leads go to this page right here where it allows them to get in touch with you right away or book an online appointment with you as well. And so you can also embed some things right here so they can book an online appointment with you or send them to a link that books an appointment with you. And there you go. You have a fully built out lead generation funnel in just 15 minutes, all using basically AI. And basically the only last steps that you need are just, you can go to apps right here and you can connect everything else that you want. So if you're running Facebook ads, you need to connect your pixel to this so you can properly track and optimize for submissions. You can also connect your CRM if you use Go High Level, if you use HubSpot. You can also connect your Gmail, so messages are sent via your Gmail. You can connect Slack in here. You can connect Trello. You can connect ActiveCampaign. Ton of different connections, and there's even more using Zapier. So you can basically hook this up to everything that you need. And you can connect your domain to this and also your email so that you can send out automations based on when they submit. And from there, all you got to do is go to publish, and you can, again, customize this link so you can connect your domain and you can go publish now, and then you can share this funnel and you can use this funnel in your ads. Again, all within 15 minutes. And if you're interested in checking out Perspective, I'll leave a link in the description as well, where you can get 4 weeks instead of the usual 2 weeks to try Perspective out for yourself. You can test them out on your live ad campaigns and see the difference in lead quality and how easy it is to generate leads overall. And one last thing is I haven't actually run a single ad to this yet, but next video I'm going to put some real spend behind this to show you the actual numbers behind this funnel, the good, the bad, and the ugly, and overall show you exactly how good of leads you can get with this funnel. So subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you did enjoy this video, I recommend you checking out this video next. YouTube's AI thinks you're really gonna like it. So definitely check it out.